just about to start filming, and then I saw myself in the little doodad there, and I was like, oh man, shouldn't have filmed this here. Is this thing on? It's a little early for that. So as you can see, garage has been cleaned up a little bit, right? Got some stuff in there, got some stuff right there, got some stuff in there, got some stuff right here. Oh, he's got a stain on his shirt. Screaming, it's late. Oh, it's not really late. A bit late for a project though. Let's see the 9:04. Is that too late to run a table saw? I don't know, guys. I don't know. Okay, anyway, so today, there's the intro for you, right? Today we're gonna be up tonight. I can't stop looking at it. Anyway, today tonight, geez, okay, take 2, 3, 4, I don't know. Spitting on the camera, man, what a mess. Okay, so tonight we're gonna do a quick little project here, and it's gonna, stop looking at yourself, bud. We're gonna do a quick little project here, and it's gonna be making a cat ladder, right? Or cat, or cats go marching one by one. Hurrah. We're doing it out of scrap wood. That's all we got there, right? So essentially what's gonna happen is we're gonna turn those guys into like a ladder sort of thing. But we gotta cut them to thinness that we like, right? That's looking more like a cat step. A 2x4, not as good as, I guess, a 1x4. That's what we're going to be doing right now. We're going to start by doing that. And then, yeah, I guess we'll probably, what are you doing, bud? Pay attention. Doesn't even plan his videos. This is impromptu, guys. Got a bunch of oil here. Garbages there, right? Don't have garbages, right? Oh, geez. It's filthy in here. Just a mess, right? But that's really what you do when you clean up, right? You just move things around a little bit. I mean, you kind of put it in stuff. Oh, take that to mom's. We're going to have a fire. No, we're not. We're just going to forget about it. And it's going to end up in the garbage. Probably garbages. I don't know. Garbage. Let's get to her. Let's start cutting stuff. I've already preset this to the right width. We're just going to cut right down the center, and then I'm planning on, man, what's he doing with the light? We'll make them the right width, and then I'm just gonna put it together with nails, guys. It's gonna be quick and easy. It's not gonna take any time at all. Well, actually, it's taking 3 minutes just to get started on it, but that's, as per usual, probably edit it down. You guys don't even care. There's only like 10 of you watching anyway. Biggest fans. By the way, we're at 92 scuba divers, which is just, that's just incredible, guys. We got to keep it going. I want to get to 1,000. Help me retire, guys. Not from doing this, but like retire from doing that. Whatever that is. Whatever's outside. Whatever we do out there. Help me retire from that. How about that? All right. Anyway, mustache out. Didn't even make it dark, but it's on. All right. So first steps first. Plugged in. Getting too old for this. Back's hurting. What's a video, Will? Second, third, I don't even know what step we're on. Man, this whole video is just looking extra pervy. Stupid mustache. My God, guys. Can't find the goggles. Seeing goggles on, hearing goggles on. You want your little push rod here. Don't get excited. To push these through the last bit of the way so you don't get mangled, right? Oh, she's on. She's moving. That was a lot of dust particles in the old mouth there, in the old lungs, in the old COVID catcher, right? I don't know if that's in bad taste, probably. 240,000 Americans dead, but whatever, right? Just edit it out, but I'm not really sure how I'm gonna fasten them together, but they're gonna be sitting like kind of like that. And then we're just gonna have those guys across them, guys. All right, I don't really know what happened with the recorder there, but we're basically cutting them down to the length. I hope you guys saw some of that at least. I'll just play it or whatever. Just check always. Is it going or not, right? Okay. Continuing on, I showed you the thing of the ladder, but I'll show you after if I'll do it again anyway. This guy go here. Start talking like a cowboy again. This guy's kind of got messed up, didn't they? Might call this one the prototype. We'll see. So the plan is to use these guys, bash them in there, right? But first things first, to set them up in such a way that we can measure them. Well, I guess we should just see how many of these guys we got. So we got one there, one there. So 3 more, we'll use these guys then. Let's measure, right? Does the bottom need one? No, the bottom doesn't need one. I'm going with 10 and it's gonna be to the top of the guy, right? I'm thinking I'll go through the side, guys. How impossible will that be? It's gonna be really not easy, guys. They gotta go on the top. I'm gonna have to go with a smaller nail. Unfortunately though, I only have one size smaller, it would appear. Just like a little less than half. That ain't even going through, guys. What are we gonna do? I mean, I have some finishing nails, right? Those suck though. Could use the nail gun. Might have to bust out the old good old reliable here. We should do this off the wall. We can't be trusted. All right, guys, look at that. And blaster. That guy's kind of ugly, though. Who cares? They're cats. Yours truly, Mr. Unruly. What is he doing here? How did he manage that? Oh, shit. They're not even big enough, guys. Didn't even put the big ones in there. I don't even think I have the big ones. I've decided to go at it with a different attack. We're gonna hit it with this guy because my other machine wasn't working. Get her with these guys. Ah, that did all right, guys. That wasn't too bad. That one started to crack a little bit, but still good. Now we're cooking with grease fire. So I'm just gonna continue along the little path of victory here. Hey, all right, okay, all right. Just keep blasting her. It'll be really interesting to see if they can actually get up this guy. Okay, so how am I gonna remedy that? Gonna have to do, son? Gonna have to do something. I got it better than that there. Got a couple of these, maybe? Yeah, why not, guys? Comments below. Use up some of these duds. I have to switch her on. Bang on, guys. Bang on. I gotta be busting. Maybe get a couple of anglers going or something. A couple of little side swipers. We'll see. Continuing on. Gonna get late. Stop fucking yelling, eh? Never. Lonely Halloween. Got it stuck in my head again. So we need to measure how tall this is because it needed to be 81 centimeters the other way. 75? What? What are we gonna do, guys? So the leg fell off. So it's starting to get late. Is that on? Not a bad production first day, right? That thing's pretty good. Look at the size of that guy. Yeah, so I'm gonna go try this out and see if the cats are gonna go and use it or whatever. And then if they are, my plan is to wrap these. Gonna be wrapping those in like Cecil rope or perhaps carpet or something. I'm not sure yet, but so my plan is to cut it and just drape it over and then staple it in the backside, right? Are these gonna be an eyesore, guys? Is the wife gonna not like this, guys? Chances are pretty high. Sling on. All right, guys. This is what I came up with. Just put her on there, right? And they got some stuff to grab as they're going up. Woo, woo, woo. So it's got to be about 4 centimeters. Get this drywall T-squirther, get her underneath, and then just hit her. Just like that, guys. And then I'm just going on the front, because who needs the bottom? No one. And then I'm hitting her with the stapler. Out of reach of where the kitties might be putting their hands or whatnot, right? And then when you get to this point, I'm folding her down like that, and I'm stapling the top. And then I'm just hitting her like this, guys. Cutting it off there. First cutting it off there on either side, and then I just staple the back, as you can see there. Anyway, I'm gonna do the rest. I'll get back at you, and then we'll do the reveal, all right? Looks like we're done. Take a look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's looking great. Except it's really extremely wiggly. It's only got one screw in each of the things, but like, who could have planned for that? Nobody knows that would have happened, right? Now all I gotta do is just burn the sides of it. I'm just gonna scorch them so that they aren't frayed like that, and then we'll go test it on the kitties, see if they like it. All right, so this is where it was gonna be installed, just like that, so the cats can go up the side of her like that and then just get right up to the top there. Hopefully it doesn't fall off of there, right? It looks kind of not Caribbean, but you know what I'm talking about, savannah kind of stuff. Anyway, there it is. Okay, so it appears that Peep's figuring it out. How are you gonna get up there? Could become. He's doing it. Yes. Yes. All the way up there, Keepies. Yes. Yeah. Like, favorite, subscribe. Ooh. 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 Oh, he's spitting everywhere. God. I mean, you only got yourself to blame. Plan your videos, bud. Come on.